Hi, my name is Andy Arrieta, and I want to share with you something that changed my life. It wasn't just until recently that I actually was able to leave my 9-to-5 job. And I'll tell you, I was tired of having a boss. I was tired of having to ask for permission to use the restroom. I was tired of waking up on Monday mornings, coming from a nice, sweet vacation, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I was tired of being overworked and underpaid. And after it just came to a point that I said, this is it. I have to find something else. So after doing strenuous research, weeks and weeks of research online, I tried looking at different business models, different companies, different way to generate money online on a part-time basis that can later lead me into full-time income. I came across a company called Nove. Now Nove, I can tell you, has changed my life. The leadership themselves is phenomenal, one of the best with over 50 years of experience. And I'll tell you, they're out here to change the world. Before Nove, I was lost. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I knew I wanted more, I just didn't know how, with what. I didn't have the right leadership or the guidance. And ever since then, I've been able to change the way I think. I've been able to really tap into my true potential. And I've also been able to generate an extra income. And so really what this opportunity has done for me, I've been able to generate an income. I no longer work a 9-to-5 job. I've been able to help others generate additional income and change their situations. And I'm telling you, it's very simple, really. There is a system in place for those that want to or would do the opportunity and want to generate some additional income like I'm actually earning at this point. Simple. The system is simple. As long as you have a smartphone with internet, you're golden. As long as you have the desire to win and want more out of life, you're golden. And as long as you're coachable, you want to be able to listen to coaches and people that show you the way by using a quick, simple system. I'm telling you, it's definitely a no-brainer, and I'll tell you, that's what's definitely helped me achieve some success, and I'll continue to go. But if that's something, if you're anything like me, tired of having a boss, tired of waking up early on Monday mornings, just literally putting in all the work at work and not being recognized for it, and really not achieving the amount of money that you are worth. I know, like, I wasn't worth that much. Take action. That's what I did. I took action and I said, hey, what do I got to lose? As it is, my situation right now is not good. And so I encourage you, if you're interested in learning a little bit more about this company and how it could potentially change your life like it's changed mine, contact a Nove representative. Thanks.